show you how to use the HydraGlow Bronze as your bronzer or as your contour color, and then how I use the HydraGlow Cream Oil as my highlighter, or just to give me an extra glow. So you're just gonna put the bronze right where you would normally put your normal bronzer on your face. Stick it on here real quick. Side of your nose if you want those to be a little thinner. Bottom of your cheekbones. Those aren't your cheekbones, your jawbones. Guys, it's Friday. Yay! Then you take a brush, if you want to use a brush, you just blend that in. I did a peel the other day, so it's bringing out some of the stuff that's been hiding in my face. So you can see some of that coming out. It's because I did a peel, and guess what? It's doing its job, which is what we love. It's that season, it's peel season. I did a video about that a couple days ago. So if you want to learn about why it's peel season, what peels can do for you, go check it out. It's on the TikTok, all ready for you. So just blend that in, and then we're gonna use the HydraGlow Cream Oil right on the cheeky bones, right here. Just add a little bit of color. Now I put the HydraGlow Cream Oil, the pink one, with my SPF as my foundation today. I'm not wearing any foundation. I'm just using my SPF and my HydraGlow as my foundation, but there you go. Now, if you want a little extra pop of color, of course, you can always use your cheek color. So I'm just gonna put a little extra, if you'd like, right here, right on the cheeks, right on top. But now you're gonna have that glow, the little pop of color. That's how you can use HydraGlow Bronze and pink together. Have a great day.